Hello everyone, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Korean. Today's video I'll try to talk about the PUBG 90 FPS support test in the Realme X7 Pro after the recent Realme UI 2.0 update. So this was the question asked by one of my subscriber asking me to test whether the PUBG game will be supported with the 90 FPS or not. So this was the question asked. So let's see friends, in this video I'll try to go through the PUBG 90 FPS support, and just yesterday I did receive the second update to the Realme UI 2.0. So right now I'm running the Realme UI 2.0, but in this second update where two things got majorly affected. One is the performance and the stability of the phone. So next is the charging speed. So that was a complaint where a lot of Realme users they do have with the Realme X1 Pro. The phone takes to 1 hour to charge and 1.5 hour to charge, so much of long time, 50 minutes to charge. So maybe the charging speed issue got solved in this kind of update. But in this video let's focus only on the PUBG gameplay only. So let me try to quickly open the PUBG game, and before that let me even show you exactly what kind of settings I am trying to use in the display, so you can exactly know I am trying to use only the 120 Hz display refresh rate during this time of testing. So that's why in this way we'll get to know. And let's see friends what PUBG settings we are having in this phone. So that is what really interesting question for a lot of users. So make sure to comment below friends in case if you are having any other doubts regarding this smartphone. Definitely I'll do my best to post the videos as much as possible in this phone. Let me quickly go to the settings and show you what graphic settings we are present. As you can see friends, so right now we can only see smooth and extreme settings, so there is no 90 FPS update still not yet come in the Realme X7 Pro. As you can see friends, this really disappointing for me, so I did not get. So if you use maybe config file and all those things you might be able to get, but still I'm looking for the official update from the PUBG, because the previous phone Realme X2 Pro which was able to handle 90 FPS officially, and which came update as well, but in this phone still I did not get the update. The phone has a Dimensity 1000 plus processor, but still there is no update at all in this phone. So maybe hopefully in the future they might be able to bring the update, but right now you'll be able to only use with a 60 FPS at the moment. So that is a maximum, that's it. So thank you friends for watching this video, and doesn't matter what type of performance mode you are using, still if you use the performance mode high or anything, so even if the settings doesn't come with the 90 FPS, there is no use of using those. So thank you friends for watching this video, and see you in the next video friends. That's it for this video. Stay tuned, bye.